How to make a game pass and please donate. Assuming you just joined, your stand still has no donation passes, but the game pass tutorial is quite confusing. So here's how to make a game pass and please donate, so you can play and get donated. I'll also show how to do this on mobile along the way. So first, what you want to do is simply leave the game if you're already in one. So then you should be on the homepage of Roblox. So from here, what you want to do now is to simply go to the top right here and then press create. For mobile users, just press onto more, then press onto create on there. So let's just go ahead and press create right here, and it might look like this. For some people, this doesn't come up, but if it does, just press onto dashboard. And yes, it should look like this for most people. By default, you should be on the creations tab along with the experience tab. Now, it will come up with a lot of confusing stuff, but all we have to do is to simply right here press our game, as in like pressing this like picture thing right here. So believe it or not, every single person has a default game. Like this account I just made has like a default base game, and we will be adding a game pass to that. So from here, you get brought to this really confusing page, and there's a lot of writing. All of this stuff in the middle is useless. You want to look towards the left side of the screen. So just lock in and try find the word where it says passes, and okay, it's right here. So in this like monetization tab, it should say passes. So go ahead and press it. Also, very quickly, if you want some Robux, I want to give it out. Just leave a like and sub and drop your Roblox username. But anyway, once you press onto game passes, it should look a bit like this, where it says passes and it comes up with this like Roblox logo as well. For mobile users, it should look exactly the same. So simply, all you have to do right now is to press create a pass. Once you press it, you will get brought to this page right here. This is essentially the first part of making a game pass. So starting off with the game pass, you can literally add an image to your game pass. Like this person right here added this for their game pass. Now you can just go on Google and just search up anything and just save it, just like what I did. But you can leave it and it would look like that. Next is the name, which doesn't really matter. I just put like thank you, since technically the person who will donate on please donate will see that. Just make sure it's not inappropriate. And then next is the description, which I just leave blank. There's literally no point adding a description. Now from here, you want to literally press create pass. Now you have not finished yet, as you need to set the price and do a few other settings for this to work. So keep watching. So what you want to do from here is to simply right now press on the title of the donation. It's like where it says thank you for me, just go ahead and press that right there, and then you will get brought to this page again, but you will see right here where it says sales. Now go ahead and press sales and you should be brought to this page right here. And again, for mobile users, everything will literally look the exact same. So simply what you want to do from here is to simply press on the item for sale and then make sure it's turned on. Otherwise, people won't be able to buy it. Now the default price, now this is literally the price of the game pass. So you could set it to 5 million if you want. You could set it to 50, for example. I'll just do about 10. And then this thing right here, the enable regional pricing. Make sure this is turned off. Even the please donate tutorial says you need to have regional pricing off. So keep it turned off. And from there, you want to press save changes. Now you are not done yet, so keep watching as you do not want to miss it. You want to load back onto please donate. Once you do load into the game, go ahead and claim a stand, and just like that, that's how to make a game pass in please donate.